Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is where I share amazing updates on how you can earn free USDT and make massive income for yourself. As you can see, this is we'll be making a lot of money from this airdrop. So this is the platform I'll be sharing with you. You can see the task. Firstly, the tasks available for you. When you invite 3-level friends, you have 1,000 airdrop and other things, and when you join the Telegram group. So, and you can also see that this is start mining. So once you press on start mining, once you click on it, you start mining the airdrop immediately, and this airdrop can be converted to USDT. Let's explore this site together. You need to start earning and making massive income from yourself through this airdrop. You can also convert it to USDT and withdraw immediately. Please subscribe to our channel because we'll be dropping amazing platforms and amazing deals on how you can earn in USDT and bag a lot of money in 2025. And please give this video a thumbs up. To be able to earn massively in this platform, you need to buy tools. All you just have to do is click on upgrade. It takes you to this interface. They have from tools 1 to tools 5, and you choose any one you want, and you'll be having daily output, daily income that you can withdraw immediately into your wallet. All you just have to click on buy it now. Once you click on buy it now, you just subscribe to it. We have another upgrade on how you can earn in this platform. If you click on this upgrade, it takes you to this interface. These are airdrop. They have from airdrop 1 to airdrop 10. So this airdrop, you can convert it. Once you can convert it to USDT and start, so that you have fast mining and you have speed in mining more airdrop to be able to convert to USDT. All you just have to do is click on upgrade now. Once you click on upgrade now, you are good to go. Leaderboard that rank people that have withdrawn successfully in this platform and has been doing exactly well. So once you start mining, you can be part of the leaderboard. How to recharge? You can recharge with any option of your choice, whether with your TRC, and how to withdraw. Once you click on your withdrawal, it takes you to this interface. All you just have to do is input your USDT and your wallet, and you can also convert your airdrop to USDT. And what you just have to do is just input your airdrop amount, and it will tell you how many USDT, and you confirm. And you can also earn massively by inviting your friends. All you just have to do is click your referral link, copy it to them, or they can scan through, and you start earning commissions once your friends. You can see how much USDT I have made for myself. So quickly, thank you so much for joining us. See you next time. Bye.